Google is shaking up the smart home world with a bold upgrade to its Nest Doorbell lineup. Here's what you need to know. Recent leaks and retail box reveals have spilled the beans on the upcoming Nest Doorbell 2K, and the specs are turning heads. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this leap in resolution and field of view actually worth the wait? Let's dive into the details. The latest intel, spotted on Reddit and Home Depot shelves, confirms the 2K HDR label on the Nest Doorbell 2K translates to a jaw-dropping 2048 by 2048 resolution. That's a massive jump from the current model's 960-1280. Imagine capturing every detail of a delivery person's face or a suspicious package with crystal clarity. This upgrade promises sharper, more lifelike video footage. And this is the part most people miss. The field of view, FOV, also gets a significant boost, expanding from 145 degrees to 166 degrees diagonal. In simpler terms, your doorbell will now see more of your porch and surroundings, reducing blind spots. But what about the other Nest Cam 2K? Right now, its outdoor model offers a 130-degree focus on vision, while the indoor version hits 135 degrees. Will the new 2K iteration match the doorbell's wider vision? Stay tuned for updates. The Nest Doorbell 2K keeps the essentials we love: night vision for 24/7 monitoring, two-way audio for chatting with visitors, and weather resistance to handle rain or shine. Power requirements remain unchanged, needing existing doorbell wiring, 16 to 24 VAC, 10 to 40 VA, 50 to 60 Hz transformer, and operating in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside the box, you'll find the doorbell itself, a chime connector, base plate, 20-degree wedge for angle adjustments, wire connectors, a hex key, wall screws/anchors, spacers, and a window decal for visibility. One caveat: a subscription is required for premium features like Gemini and advanced AI experiences, sold separately. So is the 2K resolution a game changer or just marketing hype? Will the wider FOV justify the cost for average users? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Google's smart home strategy is heading in the right direction, or are these upgrades overkill? And what about the subscription model? Agree or disagree? Let's hear it.